Okay, so today we will solve one of the most common problem that students are asking for help. So that's related to the pre-calculus given f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 square root and g of x, this is equal to 1 divided by x plus 2. Question number 1 is find f circle g of x. And question number 2 is find the domain of f circle g of x. Okay, so first we understand what this f circle g of x means. So f circle g of x, this means f into g of x, right? So this means that first apply g to x, then plug that result into f, right? So our f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 square root. We replace x by g of x here. So f of g of x, this is equal to 2 into 1 divided by x plus 2 minus 1 square root. So that becomes f into g of x. This is equal to 2 divided by x plus 2 minus 1 square root. And f of g of x, this is equal to, if we take the LCM x plus 2, here we go 2 minus into x plus 2. So f into g of x is equal to 2 minus x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. And 2 cancels out with positive and negative signs. So f of g of x, this is equal to minus x divided by x plus 2 square root, right? So this completes the first question, which is f circle g of x, and that is equal to f of g of x, which is equal to minus x divided by x plus 2 square root. Now, most of the students struggle with finding the domain since we have a square root of the expression inside must satisfy minus x divided by x plus 2 is greater or equal to 0 because what's inside the square root should be greater or equal to 0, should be positive. So we first find the critical point, set the numerator and denominator equal to 0. Minus x is equal to 0 implies x equal to 0. And denominator x plus 2 is equal to 0, which implies x equal to negative 2. So that's not allowed. And then we do the sign analysis, which is the interval and sign of expression. Okay. So when x is less than 2, then negative 2, we have the sign of expression is negative. 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 And when x is ranges from -2 and x is less than 0, that is positive. And when x is greater than 0, it's negative. So the domain conclusion is that x equal to -2 would not be included, so is excluded. Expression is non-negative on -2 open interval to 0 closed interval. So that's the domain.